Hi, this is a demo of new features for Stratis. If you create a Stratis pool, you can see the checkboxes here have changed a bit. Now we can encrypt with the passphrase or with a key server. That's a Clevis Tang key server. Let's start with just the key server here. So you could do both, but let's only do the key server now. You have to verify the key as you need to do with logs, and then the pool should be created. There it is. And you can see these two lines are also new now. You can see we do not have a passphrase at this moment, but we do have the key server. This is what we have entered in the dialog. We cannot remove the key server because it's the last key or the last method of unlocking is the pool, but we can, for example, add a key phrase, a passphrase now. Yeah, that works as you would expect. You have to type it twice. And now here's something about the key, about the passphrase. And it tells you it is using the key description pool 0 that matches the name here. And yeah, the key description stuff from Cockpit's point of view is some internal bit of Stratis, and you don't really need to know this to use Cockpit with it. But if you want to go to the command line, maybe sometimes it's good to know what the key description is for a pool. I'm not sure how to get it out of Stratis on the command line actually. So now we can remove the key server. If that's what we want to do, then this one is not configured. We can change the passphrase also now. That was not possible earlier. We have to provide the old one and then type the new one twice. So this has worked, and if you look closely, the key description has changed. That's also some technical requirement of Stratis. I don't know if we should be showing this here at all. I find it useful if I go to the command line, and I usually have to use the DBus API to figure out the key description, but maybe I just don't see the official way to get it. What else can we do? Well, the point of a key server is, of course, that you can unlock the pool without having to type in your passphrase. So let's try to get that going and demonstrate it. What was the passphrase? Okay, now we can remove the passphrase again. Let's do that just for fun. And if we go to the terminal now, we can stop this pool. Cockpit can't do it yet. It might be able to do that in the future. Not sure how useful that is. So now we have a stopped pool. It still tells you that it doesn't have a passphrase, but that it does have a key server here. So if we press start now, it gets unlocked by using the key server. Adding block devices still works, of course. Now you also don't need to type in the passphrase because you have the key server configured. Or let's say you do not have to put in the passphrase because there is no passphrase. Normally, if you add a block device, you have to provide all the encryption tokens so that they can be used for the new block device. Yeah, I think that's it already. But let's delete the pool and see you next time. Thanks a lot.